Hey, what up paint drops? It's me Graffiti here, and I'm back with a new tutorial. In this one I'm actually going to show you guys how to change the font of everything in Black Ops 3. So when I mean by everything, I would mean the ammo counter, the settings, the points, the player names, in-game and in the start menu, the whole main menu, and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, but first I want to give credit to the person that figured this out, and that would be Ardivee. I haven't seen anyone post it on the ModMe yet, or UGX or anything like that, or make a tutorial on this, but he did post it in the tips and tricks in this Black Ops 3 Mod Tools Discord. So I wanted to give y'all this knowledge and make a brief tutorial and show y'all how to do it visually instead of just on the text. So it's fairly simple, and yeah, let's just get into it. So first you're going to want to open up your Black Ops 3 launcher. Yeah, mine looks a little bit different. I'm actually using Makecents' launcher, so thanks to him for this awesome launcher. But the first thing we're going to want to do is actually change our .map. So if you want to change the start menu or the main menu or anything that has to do with the main menu of the game, you are actually going to need to make a mod. So that mod can also affect in-game as well, so you can just make a mod real quick and apply that to your game, and that would be the best way of doing it. But if you don't want to use a mod for your map, I'll show you how to just change the fonts for your map and the settings or whatever. So you're going to want to first go to your map that you're going to want to do this. Right click and go to open zone file. So if you go to my description, I'm going to have all of this text for you, and you are going to actually paste this into your .zone file. And that's basically all you have to do, except for a few other steps that I'm about to show you. So it's going to be really easy. So these names right here, you're going to actually copy these and rename the fonts that you want in a folder in your Black Ops 3 roots. So right here I'm going to explain what these all are. So the default, that's for the ZM HUD and basically like a lot of the text. This is for the Hud Text, hit string, and weapon HUD strings. So like when you hit the box and stuff like that, and perk machines, this right here would be the menu HUD text, and then like the capitals for the big letters and some other stuff. This right here would be the player names, and this would be in-game and on the main screen. And this is another font for the ZM HUD. So paste all that into your .zone, and then you're going to want to go to your Black Ops 3 roots folder. So the best way to do that is to go to your map, go to open map folder, and then go backtrack a little bit and go to Call of Duty Black Ops 3. So next you're going to want to go to share, raw, and then you're going to want to make a folder in the share and raw. And this folder, you're just going to name it simply fonts, and there it is, it's created. So open that up, it's going to be empty of course, and now you're going to want to add the font that you would like. So for me, I'm going to go into my fonts. I have downloaded a lot of fonts, but the best way to do this, I would say, is to go to thefont.com and then just search up a font. And so let's say you want this font, just click on it and click download. So once you download this font, let's open it up, you're gonna get a font, the font name .ttf. So you're gonna take this font and you're going to drag it right here into your fonts, and then you basically want to copy it and paste it a few times. So just keep doing that. I think that should be enough. Now what you're going to want to do is go back to your .zone file or into my description, and you're going to just copy the name, not the .tff or the / or any of that before. You're just going to copy the name of the file. So here's default. So here's the font name. So just rename, paste, and then again do that for a second font. Now let's say you want to use more than one font. You can actually go to your font, so click down here on Cortana or your search if you have Windows 7 and search up fonts. And so now there it is in my control panel, and here's a bunch of fonts I have. I actually downloaded a lot, and I used to be a graphic designer before this, so I have tons of fonts. So for example, I want to use this blood font, so let me drag that in there. So let me copy that and then paste it a few times, and then we're going to just simply change the names for the rest of the stuff. So there we go. Oh, there we go. So now that's all done, that was real quick, you're going to actually want to just compile and run your map. So compile, link, build and run. Alright, now that we're in game, if you look, all of the fonts have actually changed. So look at the ammo counter, look at the name of the weapon, and you can also notice your point counter. And if we go into the settings, it is actually changed with multiple fonts. See it right up here. Now even changes your player card right here. So now let's say after you want to try the mod, just uncheck. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to new right here. You're going to click on this paper. You're going to look for mod, then the name. We can just call this, I got caps lock, graffitis underscore font, and then click OK. It's now going to make us a mod right here. So now we're going to take that code that we from here, we're going to copy it from my description, and we're gonna just click edit zone file for all of them, and we're going to just paste them in, save. I did Control S right there just for your information. That is how you also save. Control V, Control S, go to CP, edit, Control V, Control S. Now remember, you only have to do this if you want this to affect like your whole, if you're making this affect everything, like the main menu. But if you're just doing it for zombies, then you can just do a zombie mod. But I want to show you that this can change everything, so I'm going to just do it for all of them. Save. Make sure I got this one. I did. So now we're just going to check all of these, and we're going to click compile, link, run, and build. And now that's going to build the mod. So once it's done, the game should launch up, and we'll notice that all the fonts have changed. Alright, so now that we're at the main menu, if you notice, all the fonts have changed, like everything. So if we go to zombies, of course all the fonts are changed, even the names of the maps, multiplayer, everything is changed, and even campaign. So if this helped you out, guys, please leave a like on this video. If y'all would like more tutorials like this, then drop a sub. And if y'all have any questions and concerns, then put them down in the comments. But that's all for me, guys. I hope you have a nice day. Keep on mapping, and peace.